Hi friends, in this video we will see how to save image to the database uh, with the Node.js. So there are two methods to save image to the database. First method is by converting image to the binary format, and second method is copy the actual image to the project folder and save only the path of this folder to the database. So the smart way is to save the actual path of this image to the database and save actual image to the project folder. So it will reduce our space in the database, because if you will convert image to the binary format and you will store the actually binary image to the database, so it will consume your more space in the database, and it will this process will also become slow. So we are going to use a second method. For the Node.js, Node.js is providing us functionality of the multer. Multer is generally used to upload the file or copy the file to the project folder. Okay, so here to use this functionality we will write here code require multer, and in this variable we will use functionality of disk storage from the multer variable. So now there will be two parameters in disk storage. One is destination and second is file name. So in the destination we will have to pass our actual location of the folder where we will store the image. Okay, so I have this folder in my project, and in the second parameter we will have to pass the file name, which file name we want to store in the database. So in the file name I will combine it with the current date. So it will be something like unique. Okay, so now this storage variable I will pass it as a parameter in the multer function. And now the result of this multer function will be in upload variable. Okay, so now whenever I will give the request from the front end, I will call the API upload. At that time I will also call this upload variable and dot single. This it will be single because we want to save image, single image at a time. And here what is the meaning of this image here? I have written image here because I show you at the front end side. I have created form data here. So I have given the image name of this parameter, and I have passed the actual file to this parameter. So that's why I have given here name image. You can give whatever name, but name should be same with the front end in the form data. So this keep in mind. Okay, so now if the image will be successfully saved, then you will get request.file. You will not get this empty. So it means your file is saved. Okay, and if you will get this empty, then it must be something wrong. So this is the process to save image using the multer in the Node.js. Okay, thank you.